guys, this is what I've been waiting for about a week. Actually no, more like 2 weeks. It's my Carbonio intake from APR, as you can see. Oh, so excited. I literally just got here about 30 seconds ago. Got a lot of packing peanuts. Filter right there. Nice. Hardware. Ooh. Got some nice stickers. Some instructions. And the part that makes the Carbonio a Carbonio. When I did order this, it was on sale. I believe the sale is still going on until the 3rd of August. When I ordered it, it was on back order, so I had to wait about a week extra. But it was worth it. When it said it was on back order, I just emailed them right away to see how long it would take for it to get here, and they responded by the end of the day, saying it would be in by the end of next week. So, there's one part of it. These packing peanuts are everywhere. Jeez. Get out. I'm glad that it's got this APR sticker. Online I noticed that some of them didn't have it, so I was kind of worried. Oh boy, don't want to break it. Yeah, it's got the authentic Carbonio sticker on there. Oh, I'm so excited, this is so nice. And it will be on my car by the end of the night. Hopefully I'll have a driving video of the diverter valve blow off sound and all that good stuff. That's completely something different. Well, there's my Carbonio unboxing, and I'll see you guys soon.